Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the app and system allow microphone access. Open Settings, find Mobile Legends, and verify microphone and overlay permissions are enabled. This lets the game capture audio. Once done, update the game to the latest stable build so you avoid known voice bugs. Make sure no other app is using the mic concurrently. Android and iOS often block access if another process holds it. Now force close the game and relaunch to apply permission changes. Next, configure Mobile Legends' internal voice settings. Open Settings right arrow voice chat and turn the feature on. Select your device mic as the input so the game uses the correct source. Adjust volume and sensitivity. A high sensitivity can pick up noise, so set it conservatively. Use the in-game voice test or ask a friend to confirm you transmit. If problems persist, switch network mode in advanced settings. Sometimes TCP is more reliable than UDP on mobile carriers. Finally, stabilize your network and reset components. You should connect to stable Wi-Fi or strong 4G/5G. 5 GHz Wi-Fi reduces latency. Reboot your phone and router to clear transient socket locks, and then clear the game cache so stale data doesn't block voice. If voice still fails, uninstall and reinstall Mobile Legends. Back up your account beforehand. Troubleshooting tip: if voice remains broken after all steps, test another app to confirm hardware mic failure before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.